one eye time, slam bam, boom one eye time. Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. Today we have a new movie, Mistress in my house. So you know what that means? Like, subscribe and comment even before you watch the movie. Cause from Davi Dan HD, you know so it's a banger. And watch you know, check the description for the channel them. We make all of the bad film them. But for now, just get some popcorn cause you're in for some action. Right? Right.
Fit your hole.
Why can you put one in your head? Like yes, man.
Hold on.
Yes, sir. Eh?
What's your piano?
No?
So you go somewhere.
I thought my money had me, I go.
Your man live up in the island?
Yeah.
So you live close by them.
Yeah. No, girl. You see my man I know in kind of jealous, me no too come a road. Normally lacking. So how finally I live?
No, really far, just right up there, so.
Oh,
Where you live?
me live up on the top side.
Okay.
So like come here, your friend now, probably you make me come out. So I feel like you lash them, come and see them. They look nice. Me take one picture of them. Come on, do my lash them photo. Girl. Hold on.
So you got what cook?
No, girl. What the eye? Yes. Yeah, girl, I like your lash them. I will ask some boyfriend if you don't mind. I like your hairstyle too.
You look good too.
Yeah.
Fit you.
So, wait, give me a number. So if I not now, I can come out of the yard. Put in a number in my phone. Yeah. Alright. Come on. Baby.
What?
You there? I come back.
Be careful.
Oh, think about myself. You don't like my hairstyle?
But man, how much in charge of her? You 8 grand. You hold 8 grand me get done?
Yes, yes.
What? Your hairstyle bad though.
Say alright? Yes, so how was it day?
My day is awesome. How was your day?
My one did good. You eat already everything?
Yes, I did.
Well, she is up now for...
So make you acquaint with your lash them so.
I just don't do that. I like them here.
Yeah, the eyelash are nice. Them big and luscious.
Yes, mom, my eyelash for too.
You want for your eyelash to do?
Yes.
So me not just give money for do here.
But what want my eyelash too?
Someone should do eyelash.
Hold on, if I look at it, I don't remember. I never get the price. Hold on, look at it.
You want for your eyelash to do too?
Titi. Girl, how much is it for the eyelash again? Alright. 3 grand.
3,000.
Yes.
Let me just give 8 grand for the hair. What? You can't just buy two full feather and clip them off and put on your eyelash and set them in. What make?
Eyelash me want to put on my eyelash. If I see people put full feather on eyelash, yeah?
You can't spray paint black.
Me don't want that. Me want eyelash. You put on it for me.
Alright, tell her. We tell her further down in a week. We make her know what going. You see me? And further down in a week, me tell her if you can do it for your birthday or what. You see me? So don't worry about that, baby.
Alright. No, come shit. Let me just hear it a while ago.
What?
You said about birthday.
Yeah, we can do eyelash your birthday.
You know when I'm my birthday?
2 months from now.
So we're gonna have this a hairstyle for 2 months. You're not gonna stay a lot.
No, baby, look how hairstyle about it's a style of bad. It can't steal. How this a style of steal? And it bad so.
When we are do things, you go on one lamp on it.
What kind of thing? Like
Yes, you start doing it already there.
you have a fight, but no, your head chan, you not pull up. You not pull
I just
up.
think you
like
feel eyelash.
buy,
do it.
buy eyelash, me put on them myself. Me watch YouTube and learn to put on them myself.
A custom eyelash remover, which I don't be careful for.
You not even know what custard eyelash be. You want me clip off 2 for me and give. See the human eyelash that's it. You know what eyelash?
Me say me want eyelash, but me want that one here. You say you like it, you hit me want. Hit me want.
Nobody like it, me not like it. Me like them one ear. Them eyelash here in your eye. Them the one them I like.
What you say I drop in my eye?
Yeah, me and sure see them the eyelash them I like.
Okay then. Alright.
No worry, man. If you we'll talk about this one, man. I'll
Let me eyelash you.
go up on everyone else then. I got something to eat here.
Alright.
Alright, go on quick take the eyelash up there and go. Oh, that.
Watch out, Davi.
How would you fly down?
You know some more food here from a flying, bro.
Eh. Well, right now you think of Irish spring dog. You couldn't bring one.
Bro, you know what's better?
Mm.
The barrel come, bro, but I know me not pull it.
Eh.
Anytime I pull it over, bro, you can get something out. You believe?
Yeah, man, procedure, man. So, yeah, you still have the whole if a girl them. For you gonna wait when the girl is funny black in a dog. Every girl out a girl, you know. All who want a girl soon for the girl, too.
So now I live.
Yeah, you've been a living modest life.
True, man, you believe, man. I see himself going, bro.
Yeah.
So, the girl not there on the lane for me.
Dog, you know, something that people grow. A couple of girls there, you know. I probably can make a link here. I'll give one of them too. Most of them run through already still. I know a girl is things already, but some good girl there said, "Way dog." Nothing not change.
Alright, no pressure off my eyes, you know,
Some I
bro.
don't know. Some I don't know. Everything go below.
Yeah, man.
Watch out now. I sit in our college said we chat up for one time.
Alright,
Yo,
bro.
you call one bad enough. A coach.
Timmy.
Kayla.
Yeah. What
You
on? You good?
You know most good. You
A
know
long time I not see you.
So, if me are foreign, you see me there foreign, you're not here.
No, mas I'm left out alien. Hold on.
Oh, but apart, yeah, make them know myself foreign, me did it. I'm just flying. A long time no see you.
Yeah, me there you go and live. Remember when I get to.
You get bigger and thing.
Yeah.
One time when you used to look, you know. Now you get bigger now. Like where you look, you know, but anyways, like I'm just flying, me fresh, me new, you know. You know, think you can help me look for a woman. Because when me there find, me not get as much woman with when me want when me did out. And when me used to look here, you used to turn me down. So me not think you would want me right now.
You better say no manners and no respect to me.
With what, Kayla?
You don't see me right to say you tell me about all this woman before you look me. Want to be in the bottom want me again?
Remember, so when me used to look here, you never want me. How you want me now?
That's back then. That is back then.
Oh, well,
New beginning.
me work with the car.
Anyways, me single, me not no man.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. See them, I want to highlight me for that me can't get no lash to do that. I want some lashes to put for me. I can't get no lashes. If me have a mind to do me lash them, me not nobody.
So me have to go do it then.
Yeah. So
Alright.
put your number on my phone so me can text you. Thank you. So me will link up here.
Alright.
Yeah, later. I'm going to look for my brother.
Alright. Yo, so Kayla gets sweet, man. Remember one time I did look at her, you know, she never all that, you know, just because me had the board man them time I never have it. But now, like how me flying, me rich now. Give me that.
Where you do what I had?
I'm going to do it. We are running go.
I call look for no how you.
We are come from.
Where you are come from?
How about yard me I come from?
So me not left in a yard, where you going now?
And you me I call look from because you gone too long, so me can look for you.
You ain't gone too long.
Yes.
No, really, after me not gone long. Me just a forward back, I shot me go.
Where you buy?
Me not get nothing. That's why me all take so long. Cause me I forgot the other shop. And that me still not get nothing either.
Okay, pa close your eye pan, you sneaky.
Close your eye pan what?
You.
Where you keep eye pan me for?
You sneaky. You know, long enough for tired.
How long?
You know, good while now. Long enough time.
It's cool, and brother. How you move some more youth? You come in, you start off well this man. You come on out watch me. Where you watch me for?
Me have to watch
I show me cute. Where you watch me for?
Mm.
Oh, come on, man. You don't want to. The redhead. Oh, here you again.
Oh boy. Alright.
I'm good, man. I can't believe you come from here. That looks for me.
So now I call for you. You did it for 3 years too early.
Yeah, me not say them, 'cause me know if you're just concerned about me. But still, me I look at business idea in my head.
Yeah.
It's like me and Pri say we can start sell some stuff. Like cool day and something there. Make some money on the side. You know, just put in a fridge. Just put in a fridge and just put in a fridge with us today. And like at the time, we can just have one local shop so like drinks for sale. Yeah, you hear me I say?
Yeah. I say.
Let me see all after how me say funny.
Are you me?
What funny boy what me say?
I don't know. I think this is something funny.
No, understand. Me I tell her what business idea.
Yeah, business idea is so great. I'm with you 100%.
Oh, she with me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we can do it then. So, that me really I think something to do. So now me will get some polybag. Or no, me get them already. You know, mix up the juice and I'm pushing that freezer in the meantime. Alright?
Oh God, Jesus.
Alright.
Let's don't talk to him. Oh, yeah, where?
You're not even hear me, sir.
Yeah. So quick, he text me. He always send me money. What happened?
How you come from?
Road.
With hairstyle and eyelashes?
My auntie sent me money for this.
The auntie sell the money to their ear. See, auntie, the business all you eat. How much you pay for the Arizona day? You know what that killer do? They buy 2 pound of rice and mackerel. Where you going to You know how much the year pass since a day and all now you can't live up a pot?
What your problem now?
How you fi eat? Oh! So, me give a roof under your head, right? And if you turn on and feed you, pay bills, and you not do nothing, you just want to walk and look cute and girly, look on my head, eh? Look on my head and look on your head under my roof.
That is the difference of jealous and jealous, right?
I jealous and jealous.
So
what you mean by plan you're going to look?
Just see one look.
Where you going to eat later?
You know, go cook.
So, me what? Your parents?
How much you pay with
After
that?
the room, under. Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, girl.
So you pay for the ears.
Yeah,
Right. Me a talk. Listen to me. Come out there. Go and go watch some plate. Them pay me talk. Me a talk too. I go watch the plate them. Watch ya.
So, my ear, they're not going like a
Listen to me and listen to me good.
$8,000.
Toga. Me not
Girl,
just
I
say
want you play them. You get the money? You want somebody to come back and they want.
listen to me and listen to me good.
That's all?
You see that hairstyle there and the lash there and the Arizona there, it a go feed you for your side week. That's all it can
Yes,
tell
but
you.
they are so jinky.
It a go feed you.
Good afternoon, me. Sure. Jealous or jealous? Jealous.
So, I say yes, still have the money when me give.
So, you look good. You look good. You look like she.
$8,000.
You look like she.
Me need to roll up and make your money.
So, you feel like me look good.
How much you pay for this eyelash?
She gone.
I grow she money little.
You see me? Then I don't make she go to work or something. Or make she go on.
Why you spend too much money?
Money have to spend.
Why you spend too much?
But have vanity. We are
And
going
they want more money again. And that I do.
Listen now.
Care about that place.
Yeah, man. All you need to do is, you see, just make she find the rest of money. Alright? Make she find the rest of money.
See ya? So you complain at me here now?
Make she find the rest of money. Can't do nothing more. Anyway, man, go on this. Let me see.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks. But whatever you complain. Yeah.
But it's... Yes.
So, okay. No, I'm just there. Let's see, you're so funny, you're so funny. Boy, what else? Was that yesterday? I get my number. I get my number yesterday and I will link up today. He'll give me a piece of money. Give me a piece of money. I forgot to try. So let me see. Oh God, stop it, TV, stop it. Alright, yes, sir.
How you chat to?
It's a phone for my friend.
Which friend? I'm here to go link up and later and say.
A TT.
Which TT?
My friend TT, where you there? You ever catch her? Never tell about time there, yeah.
The girl with the eyelash and hair, sir?
Yeah, TT, my friend.
So what kind of link up you now then?
No regular link up, hour.
Show me here now, say link up.
Let me call her back.
Call him now. Let me hear TT. Let me hear him, I say.
Call her for speaker.
Call him now. I'm sure I see a TT there, chat to him. TT voice deep.
A TT, me that chat to you too.
Call him.
TT,
Yeah, girl.
remember say we are link up?
Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
TT.
Alright, so when you go link up?
Oh, link up now.
Right now?
So me will see you.
Can't even tell me no location whatsoever when me meet her. She just had confusing. Boy, I can't bother. Just go on the road, sir. Trish! Yeah? Girl, I soon come here up on the road. And we have a girl, I go bed, you know. I mean, I go meet one of my friends who sitting around come. You feel something what, Titi? Mama, yeah, Mama, I remember. Titi, I under my roof, and you're here. If you go out the road and God forbid that car, you can have me in a problem. You don't worry about your things, me go get to the house. You something cook? Cook and feed the rest of the day, them. Oh, make sure none of the nails you come back here with. Oh. You don't like nails? What good? Alright.
TT, come on.
Yes, come on. They couldn't tell me something about like a stray dog.
What?
They couldn't tell me something about like a stray dog.
You look like a scared dog?
Yeah, they never tell me what to mean. I want to do that over the phone.
No, I'm not going to say color. Say good everything.
They just come and say what?
No, girl, I'm just going to come and come out here. Stop, no question about that. You know that's none of your business.
Well, me tell the girls, I come out here to get something to the house. So I can give me a piece of money.
I will meet to get money from to give you, TT.
Girl,
You not work.
I should
have
have
a job.
somebody else.
You know what I'm
The job is processed.
So I asked them to say, when did they call up on the phone? Did they tell us I give them money?
Mama, when they call by the phone, Jenny, what you tell them, man?
Remember I tell man.
When you call by the phone, car?
I call up on the phone and say, girl, remember say we are link up today. That me say on the phone and hang up. I don't say nothing more.
They just call me to the phone, so.
But because I call them to pay you?
No, me never say you have to pay me, but I say, excuse me, you to let me
This car, I never tell up on the phone.
You have to give me a piece of money, girl.
Well,
You don't have to be much.
alright. You tell what to do. Let's go follow me.
I have the money, I go like in the
Go,
car.
me not the money. Let's go follow me. Go link my cousin and borrow my money from him here.
Your cousin? Okay. You have a man?
My cousin don't want nobody. Okay, come on. Yes.
Yeah, come take her.
Well, go you go.
Yeah, man, you. You friendly.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Your cousin is?
Yeah.
She said you're there, true.
Me see it.
Hello. Shut up your mouth. Don't talk too much. I don't want the money. Shut up and come. Let me see. Stop a line.
Yeah, I think what they people are going to spend a lot of time on it.
So quick. Yeah.
Yeah, me have the money, but it's over me. I have to forward from.
Alright.
Yeah, come for.
Me fi come too?
No, me soon come back.
So girl, you can't me place and me even know you're so good, you want to let me ask stuff.
Sit down.
No, they have to sit down.
How long more office here?
If you want to see me long time, and I yesterday, I just give me number.
Well, it feel like a long time.
So you say I need something?
So, like how you're over here already. What make you not send back your friend and we'll go in our house?
No, me can't do that. She don't really know the area because she come from town. She don't know the area like that. Even if I saw somebody might take her and that works for my conference. I mean, I like that right now.
Me did have the money for me, just because me didn't want to come on me and we'll go in our house.
No, next time I call if you're probably later, but no. I can't live up on the roadside by yourself.
Alright, I don't really have much for me, so. Go this up.
Thanks.
So, when you come back? When you see you?
Might be later. You're going.
Make sure enough.
Later.
Alright. What if I general she have general me?
Why take so long?
Me not take that
How
long.
much mosquito about me?
Oh, here. Hold on, panda.
You alright?
Something like something. How?
No, mama. You could never alright.
Oh, yeah,
How much money this?
You lost your senses.
This me want to
115 give me get the whole light. See them, don't even get none for myself.
I saw your cousin, bro.
Yes.
You can look on you and you. How long you not see him?
I'm not telling you the same long time. Every day I'm seeing.
Oh.
No money that.
Yes,
So
you
can-
see right?
Yes, they can go here. Come here, come go for me, man. Start
People
looking.
can buy 2 pound of rice. Maybe I'm going to have money rice.
I mean, and you are crying.
Tell the girls say that. Me no love woman, so you can't
Give them that.
drive me.
Give them that. I wait for money that. Buy mackerel can go in with
I
it
kiss
later.
me again, you know. Where me I go tell Shani sick. Don't you bring this? Anything now, man. I'm out of course, not of course. Hello.
Hey, man.
Shani say what?
You chilling there?
Oh, God, amen. So, man.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright? Sure. So, you're there, though.
The same day I scroll to TikTok and watch you.
I see him. How time about them people? You have time to follow them people?
No, they entertain me. I watch them. You eat my money.
No. Look hungry, boy.
So when we come back to me, it's this. You could have money.
Say no, I'm not good.
Yeah, you
You
did
see
look
how
good.
look better than your girl. I don't know why you never there still.
You did look good. No.
Me still look good. Me just originally look good. Look how she out to the scarecrow. You know see it? Me not decide, but she may look good. Me better than her.
But you
She
shouldn't
look
do
like
that
me,
80%.
bro. One thing with her body big, and I do should do her body. Remember, me have the
I
natural.
never made baby drink.
Me don't know who me
It
never
wasn't
small.
me. I never made.
Anyway, I can't even know the best big of it.
Me will give money to buy something to eat and buy some panty.
So we have a party for.
Me didn't want thirsty women to take off the panty to see. Like, holy night panty. Me tell you, what kind of panty to say, man? My bottom part, holy
And your
night.
cucumber boy hole in there. Remember, you did drunk saying it, this is what you wanna do. Give me the money. Yes, and your cucumber, give me the money.
No, another one they will take off.
Yeah, nah, that's what you
A
wanna do.
different panty
And the
me
place
take
big
off.
dark.
Different panty me take off. So,
I see him panty. Give me your money. Give me your money. Can't stop this shit because you
you see
see
buy
it.
something to eat and it a panty.
So this have to buy something to eat?
Yes, 2 new
So
panty.
this have to buy something to eat?
And get the pant.
So you... everybody reach. Nice. Oh, good evening. Like everybody reach. Market me I go now. So where your money there, yeah?
Did I get no much money?
What do you mean I get that much money? No money you see I go for?
This time when me get, at least me get people.
Listen to me. You tell me say I go get something for the house today, tomorrow and the next day.
Listen to me, not because of your house in a
Give me this.
Not because of your house in a you go raise
Come
your
on,
eyes.
give me money.
Me get me tell us the people.
What your money there?
What is this?
Theory. You mean I money and you kind of what kind of money this me take up do a god?
And I mean, yeah, Lord.
You know what? This is the Wi-Fi. I'm not gonna come and fight until you can give me the money. Yes, when me full this, I'm not touch it here. You see this?
Look there.
Me no need to look. Me no need to look on nothing. Listen to what me I say. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. You see the Wi-Fi? I'm not gonna come and fight for a few months until you can move. Here. Move. You hear me? I say.
Yeah, come in and let him chat.
Yeah. We never clear away when she left back your bike.
Alright. No, I put on wow, I would say one more me man. I know done about.
You know what? You look to me about I got a grocery shop here. Get him. Come on and put him in bed, man. Get him in bed, man. Girl, give me my body. I've been roof your hand down. We have to stick with you. Come on. Me I clean the room. Come on, me clean up my room. Come on, go on.
Mosquito, you can't make you. You're not take care of your you know. You don't see mosquito on you?
Me don't need a mosquito. Go on. Just go on.
You're in my room, man. Alright. Me hungry.
Oh yeah, come from.
Me want to tell you where I come from already.
No.
Me want to tell this one so me I go look for TT.
So boy, look how long you gone, where you come from?
What me tell you so me I go?
But you gone long time, where you come from?
When you like go places, me ask you where you come from.
You not ask me. You want me don't wanna follow me?
Oh, I'm supposed to do that. I'm sorry, I'm supposed to do that.
Where you
At
supposed?
TT, me I come from TT, I have a problem.
I ain't no problem, but you gone from morning.
Yeah, I'm not going from man, you're too insecure. When me going from man, like me going from man.
If I'm insecure, woulda walk you down. Woulda walk you down and sit in there. And do like what you do. I'm not insecure.
What me I do?
I'm far from it. Walk and come check for me.
Well, I did one time I walk on check my Kaylafilms to the yard and gone too long.
So now that tell you a while ago. If I was insecure, I would have walk and come check on you. But no. I have faith in you. You have all the faith in you.
Hello?
Kayla,
Yeah.
girl, you can talk?
This girl talk, you know call me.
Me have some problem with my cousin and boy, me can't take it no more, honestly.
What kind of problem that?
Girl, me have to go meet up privately and talk. What you say?
Girl, if I make time for you tomorrow, me can't do that right now. That tomorrow business, that you hear?
Alright, girl.
Yeah,
Same
later.
place, same place?
Later. Come
Alright.
on. Oh God, how hard is it? Oh my God, I see that TT just call me.
TT call you a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Well, and everything good then. You know, see TT call you again. You know, see how that I call you.
TT, you not time for TT, man.
So I cannot answer.
You phone too enough.
Let me see. How you might call her so much?
TT does torment, he does torment, baby, he does torment.
So we cannot tell them to not call her so much then.
We can't tell her that I'm a new friend. I'm a friend, alright.
Alright, man.
You know, I'll do because of something.
Okay.
You know, my baby.
Right now, I feel say a time for me to married. I feel say a time for me to married.
No, I'm not married. I'm 5 more years.
What do you mean 5 more years?
I'm too young.
What kind of too young?
I'm too young to get married.
You're a big girl, but you're what kind of hard-working, independent girl. What do you mean too young? I best time I know.
No, I'm too young for that. I'm not ready to get married.
Alright, if you know I'm married now then. What about breed? You can't breed.
You come right here, call me out of something disrespect. What do you mean by me can't breathe?
Cause from when me not use no protection, I just fire off and me not see no changes. A months now, me not see you get no fatter. Me not see your breast them are bigger. Me not see you show no sign. Not even look at belly. When they come like a mark of your belly, you get marker.
You ever tap your things? There's something wrong with done this, sir?
No.
Okay.
What's wrong with it?
Me no know.
And it's a fire like missile. What's wrong with it?
Nothing wrong with me. First of all, me just not ready for no picnic. Matter of fact, so I breathe. You really want to breathe me?
Yeah.
Oh, so you want me tell you this? Me know you breed me. Case what happened to my cousin? Me don't want that reach me.
What happened to your cousin?
Man breed him and take him, put him down, and they are 24/7. Oh, so you want to breed me and left me here and you gonna party and me have to wonder where you don't know. Me don't want to pick me.
You don't walk around look for me like we normally do.
No, with big gut.
You make no difference.
Well, me not coming. I mean, not ready for no picnic yet.
Why?
Until me married.
Then not that's why me attack you and I say come here.
I mean, not ready for married. Not ready for no picnic yet. Tap run on life. Tap run thing. While I my phone a ring. Give me a minute. TV.
Hello, Kayla. What's
Yeah,
up?
oh yeah, say. Your car, yeah, say.
Oh, you know, say, I see more, I see you. Can you come look for me?
Like how long, like. Give me a
But
time frame.
probably 1, 2 to 3 hours.
Oh, that can't work because me have figure at church. Me have church meeting figure.
Church.
Yeah.
With that, the long year, there.
Yes, you know, take me for look good when me I got church. People I got church and look good in there. You know? Oh, and God said we come as we are. So you lucky. We going to church. So me go come.
Alright, you can go to your church afterwards.
No man, me I come before church. When me got church, me not come back for now.
Alright.
Yeah.
Later.
I could go find you because TT come about. Remember when you said TT call me or something?
Yeah.
So I forgot find her. She a ball and no one because I forgot look for her.
God.
Yeah. So I will see her later.
Take care.
Yeah. Me a tan long. Like I want 3 hours me a tan for.
What kind of ball in your ball so far?
Me don't know what a 3 hours me a tan for.
3 hours.
Yes, I mean I come back until 4 hour time.
Why 4 hours?
Cause 3 hours me go stay with her and she ball the next 1 hour me take to walk from my yard.
What?
Yeah, later.
3 hours for somebody a ball. Come back in a 2 hours.
Yeah, we reach.
I'm thinking about it like a power talk. Yeah, good one. I'm going to wait for you.
I saw me walk too.
What you mean?
But anyways, let's get down to business. Cause mama said me at church you go. So how we got do
Alright.
business.
I kind of, my last key off the door now, so I have to go walk in the back.
Alright, come.
Come on.
Time all hot. Yeah, fun in there?
You must have fun.
Okay.
Oh, my brother, I'm going to see right here, so. I'm going to town go buy something for cook. You know, I have money.
How much money, sir?
It don't really matter, because right now, as far as I can see, they never yet have money. So give me what you have. Oh, my father.
Oh, I 5 minutes in I read money in it.
Father God, thank you, but nobody make no real fall today. But we just go downtown first. Come on, if you're real.
Where are you going to go?
All the day and night I get in this roof, yeah. You never look for me and give me not even $50. So me have to give God thanks for the little money where you give me.
Listen, the reason why I'm in a normal give money, I tell them the money for me normal.
Well,
yeah, and you
let me
go
tell you one
feel
little
away.
secret.
Gotta pay change.
You see, when you give me them a daytime, I'm save them up. Mother smile when weekend compares with that enough. So me have to give God thanks for a little time. They look for me and give me one little $500. This is a big difference, man. I want you for real. Oh God, for real. Oh God. Me can get here the next week then. Can I have money? I improve and I have
You know, next week.
moment. Alright, me go on the road.
Dutch.
Sorry.
Oh, my God.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Hello, madam. Si wanda sa may like, I'm gonna like it. Buy me.
What you do?
7.5, but I can't give me like, I'm also to fit it on the way. I'm here for 10. 1 10.
Yeah. Well, yeah, yes, indeed.
You best.
Yeah. Because, no, yo, that the little bit of money they ask me for.
Give me the money, then I
And
can't,
then
no.
they go come back to me again, you see. So I get yours. All this other. You see. But after me, I do a little thing. More, because more man gone and I don't know when she'll come back.
So you have one more US can put on that?
No worries, sir, my money there.
Come in.
Yeah, money. Money talk. Money talk. Right.
Can we go turn up the head?
Just let them know. No worries, sir.
I can't see money.
Alright, thanks to the right.
So I will see you some other time. I got church now. Me
Alright.
pray for you. Later.
You know what?
Oh God.
Let me never let this other when me and if ya. It's alright. Good.
Me tell her, you got it. Me tell her you got it, don't we?
Long time ago.
You know, say, yeah, for us move out the cousin door. Because you know, make me sense she there. She not have what you got.
No,
You have it goal.
I
You
know.
have it. Me tell her, why?
Yes, I agree. So me better than
You may
her.
have a world and now me get.
I agree so better than her, but still. Bad to bad, my cousin. They can't move around. And
Me
buy
tell
the
her,
apple.
one ticket both cousin.
Bad to bad, my cousin. They can't put her out.
Yo, you man, so man, you put her out.
You know, have to put her out.
Me tell you that I don't see it, man.
Just tell her say
Tell her,
done
say,
then. Simple.
pack up her thing and left. Go on
Simple.
back home, you see. Them go.
So I go and see money now.
No, what sir?
Tell me tell them. Oh.
15,000 this one.
15?
Yeah.
No, next 15, so we can't get that.
15,000 that. So just change out that and get where you want. Just answer.
Okay, I will get it.
Hello. So I'm gonna text her and film the door. Oh, bye. So I'm gonna text her and film the door. You never see me now.
Yeah, sleep.
Time junk, but time not fool.
Oh, man.
Nothing.
Good. Let's sit down with the park. Come on.
Me right here to so. There for a minute, but you do want to sit up on the bed right now. My head that hurt.
Come on, sit down.
Stop touch me now.
How happened?
Nothing that happened. My head that hurt me.
Sure, this is a little bit. You're going to meet your wife.
Me never bother by the meat. My head that hurt me. Things happen on the road. Things happen.
Can I really come?
Things happen on the road. You need what I say? What happened on the road?
Huh?
What happened? What happened? What is happening, Russian?
And also what happened on the road, yes, sister?
Oh, well, we have this friend of mine, right? And there's so many things wrong, girl. Get the girl out on the roadside, feed the girl. So if you see the girl that have sex with her man.
Your friend?
Yeah, so I feel the fear. You see? When she tell me a story, the heart just come like one stab the leg just a bleed.
The fear or pain. Well, and you see them thing they know?
And you know me I look onto? The man have no feel self.
And
Neither the woman nor my joke. None of them have no for themselves.
so what
And
you
just
tell your
you
friend?
know. What?
Make her say.
Because I should keep her mouth calm. It's the man love by the man will confess.
I'm coming. Here?
Me here, you're quite fine. The man can just not my ear, sir.
She will tell more stories.
No,
And it just, nah.
she do. How you talk so with
It feel like a wish that the thing she know about.
What she talk about me, mommy, to do her again?
He thinks that she know about.
What
She talk one story about somebody that gave her friend a give bone. And one embarrassed.
What me and she friend? Me and she cousin?
You see, she just tell her truth.
Yeah, you that. What if you tell her the truth? That's
The
why
story of someone who was similar. What she tell me?
I already go back in there and find out. I could never be free.
I'm fine.
Oh yeah, man.
You sure?
I'll keep your mouth locked.
You sure it's you?
He's not breathing.
You know, have nothing you want to say to me.
Uh,
Yeah, me quiet. No touch me. Me quiet. Alright. Are we going to ask her if me know? Or how me know?
oh.
We going to ask her like how me know?
What you know? Tell me after.
And give me yourself about me talking.
No.
You know the worst part about it? Me tell you, say me tell the girls if the boy love her, the boy have to confess. You don't confess.
Yeah,
So obviously you don't love me. You know what the worst part about it? It seems like say you pay to do her ear. Cause $100 US. $100 US. And you underneath her better than underneath me. You know how long me I listen to you? You know how long? I pull my cup full now, so me I tell you me are chatting on the story. You hear? You me are chatting on the story. You not sorry to the stuff. Listen to me and listen to me good. Like a surf on the roadside. Come out. Come out. Come out. Come out.
Don't stop doing
Come on!
Stop doing something.
But take it, she. Come. 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 Come out. Come on. 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 Come on.
Stop doing something.
Long time it's not running mode.
Yeah, man. A long time I want me to live here. Guess what? Come on, too.
Oi. Stop chewing this up.
Go on. You go on. No belong na this year. No belong na this year.
Why you do this?
Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold that. Go on.
So where you going to park?
Oh, I don't want to 2 minutes short.
Me sorry.
Hey, come on! Why that I go find somewhere go make him put your car underneath your good. If underneath the good, you'll have someone.
Me sorry.
You see where your cars? Just see where your cars.
Oh.
Ayo! You shouldn't see me allow me. So when me go go. Yeah, come on now.
No response to that.
Come, you can.
Oh.
So you have your permit now?
Me I go back when me used to stay. Me I come back me think them.
Cousins!
You know me stay right here where your family is.
Please! Please, Mr. Sorry, Miss Harry. Get underneath the provide room. Sit underneath the board.
Why, what me going to do?
Oh, Jesus. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh! They can't kill her. What's that big girl in her answer phone?
Hello.
Girl, it takes so long to answer her phone.
Girl, what is the problem? What is the problem? Me busy.
Anyway, remember me did tell us I want to talk to you privately?
Oh.
So you can meet me now, please, because it's kind of an emergency situation.
Girl, any of the ever me yard me the mood to come. But anyways, me the on the road still. So come from my cousin here. They can come link me a bamboo tree. My wait
Bamboo
for you.
tree? You sure me if you meet her, they say think this is a good spot, girl?
Alright then, girl. Meet me at said place. Me go have a drink.
You see them place how we meet?
Yeah.
Alright, mama. Why?
Girl, where's your phone?
Boy, what if I said my cousin just put me out?
Oh my.
I have nowhere to go. So me could bang and pan them. So me sure something just drink off this.
Well, girl, I don't know about. I don't know what. Where we have plan to go?
Me don't know. That's why I call her to ask if you can put me up till we stand up back for me 2 foot.
Well, girl, I don't know about that. I have to think about it. I have to. Remember, say me and my man live.
So
me and him
gonna make me sleep tonight and me and your friend?
Girl, you don't even me don't speak the words them out of my mouth.
Okay, speak.
I say, but I have to think about it and I have to go to my mom because me and my man live. So I told you I have to talk about it.
So like a 1 year you take me now.
No, me I say you can't follow me go up there and me ask him and that me I say, use your head.
Okay.
So me ask you one question, where them put you out?
You want to hear that too?
Yeah. Before me put you in my eyes.
Is that one thing, girl? Me, she cook a pot. She cook rice and chicken. She has say if me can go cook, cause she know why me not for her pot. Then when me go cook now, she has say why 2 different pot are cooking in her house.
Oh, I understand. Yes, so that's why she put out there cooking.
And if me go, me auntie send me money and me do me ear. She jealous of that cause for her ear, no for her ear look like when like strikes something.
So
Like a jump or jar breaks in her head.
So it's one lonely person?
No, her man live with her. Her man not do nothing. Her man just come in junk. I want junkie. And he didn't even give her no money. That's why the holiday I tell her, make sure you give me her money. And that make up and buy rice and the mackerel. I think me have to take all the mackerel out of her girl's pan.
See, Titi, I didn't answer your question. The girl live in her house, she and her man. You're sure see anyone that touch the girl, man? But the girl put out your...
Mama,
She just bad
I'm
by
my cousin. And mean to say, I'm my cousin in-law, the boy. So me not going to look that direction.
Okay.
Me not stay so.
Alright, because me and my man live up there.
And if you ever see a man to a man look like a
You ugly?
bad, you look like a...
When you see my man, you say ugly. Take up your bag and come on. I hope when you see
Your
my
man
man...
ugly?
Yes, he's very ugly.
Very ugly?
Very.
And then I think that's it. So what I'm to your cousin? Your cousin are in speed girl?
My cousin never gave me, just never want to date my cousin.
Why never want to date?
Because me did just know your girl. Stop asking about my cousin. Every time you like him, if you like him, unlike him.
Why if I like him?
Hey, come on, talk about my cousin. Every time you want to talk about my cousin, girl.
You don't
like
a
it.
style? Don't like a style. Go on, man. I'm hungry, you cook?
You don't even reach on me anything to
You
talk
can't
about
fling me
food.
out in a rain. Feel me. Feel me on me wet. And I really girl fling me out. Come on. Sure.
One on the family.
When you find a good friend, you can't have to come and consider.
I'm about to put you out, you know. I'm about to put out, you know. I have to talk to my man first.
You go and
We
chat
yet.
me.
Where you are, David?
We there, alright?
Yeah, how make your friend turn out the door?
No, two minutes tell us she'll come.
Oh man, my guest man, come have a seat, miss. Come have a seat, man. So just...
Let me go talk to him first. Sit over there, so I'm going to talk to him first when something.
Why don't you have to talk to me about him?
Remember me, I live earlier today, I tell him that I go look for her because she got a ball or something.
Oh, she a TT?
Yes, I she named Titi.
A long time ago, you know, what kind of ball my ball so to still rain come down?
No, I know, see, actually rain catch me at that time, I take more than the 4 hours.
Believe her, man.
Excuse me. Hello, sir. I'm not juice here from the thirsty bag.
Just. Let me in, man. Better juice. Now come here. Yes.
Come here. You just reach me and I beg you. You begging a man.
How far away you walk from me? I'm not thirsty.
Girl, happy begging a man. Nobody want to put up you and put you out and say no, you're too greedy.
Oh,
Happy begging.
I'm not your time to listen to that film.
Yes, sir. When me I talk, I'm say boy, you make go look for me. You take like a man and me I spend time with you.
Alright.
Just in case if you ask, but if you not ask,
So
then I
yeah,
say
no
nothing.
thank you. That if I want food, you know that. I'm hungry. I joke with me, your friend. You know, say put me. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're
Thank you
miss-
very much.
No problem, sir. Start now.
Me not tell her, say, so our family remember them put her out, and she not know if it goes, so me just say, if you could have put her far away, the other bed, the little one.
Why am I talking about this in a private state, but
I look private with it.
I'm managing everything.
Oh, Jesus.
I put him on one spot and now I can't say no, because all my say no to him face and in the right answer.
No, you put him in the knees.
Yeah. No, like people in my yard, the only reason you would be in my yard is because me and you there. Otherwise, you're there somewhere else I live. But you don't time come around, how long it matter?
Until you go back on it, I'm going to go 2 weeks. Or 1 week, 1 week, 1
Yeah.
week. Eh?
When people move in, they don't like move out.
No, maybe move around.
And you like, I put him in my bed and he said the room, man.
We not have a room. I want to go where we put him on the other bed. Not that we have share bed.
Everything good, no worry about it, but Kayla, talk to me first before you can.
I hate me, I do.
No, if you can't come in, can you have him back already? We can't tell him no. If we tell him no,
Nobody tell her, say, my dear, no, but no worry, you say yes, I already talk. Worry about it. And one more thing. I love you. And I love you so much, don't you? Remember, say, and the two of you alone living in a house, no, say, you must start knock on the bathroom.
I have not forgotten I'm over the bathroom.
Yes, I knock on the room door. So, no two go in our room. When I not did it, you stand on the veranda.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
That man veranda, I'm like a woman. Come again, can't. You know what?
I'm not talk about.
Yeah, you will talk about.
So now whisper here, make up your face. You know what me here or what?
No, man, not like that, miss. I tell her, say, wait, me so happy, say, she bringing somebody. Because, you know, the thing is kind of hard for me, you know. And she lonely more, so me I say, alright, she will have a friend can stay in her house with. So, yeah, man, no problem, man.
Look like me, I go feel comfortable here, so it's true, man.
The only problem, I just want a room. So, you know, but
I
you can.
will do, no go somewhere else, go do whatever.
Yeah, man, that good, man. No worry about it. So just go right in and feel at comfortable. Feel at home. Make yourself at home. The bed with the Gucci sheet, them. You can't just spread out.
Gucci sheet?
Yeah.
So AC in there?
No, me not have AC. Me have windows and fan breeze. You like
Fan
that?
breeze?
Fan breeze. Yeah.
So me get the fan breeze then?
You can get the window.
Titi,
You know? Yeah.
you talk too much now. Go on in.
Alright, I will see you inside.
Goodbye.
You have to say with her, her head not so righteous, as I said before.
If you head not righteous now, I bring people on me and like more
When we
people.
talk to you about it,
You can't come and chat to me and stuff.
take time and talk about it, she hear, no? It's a shame.
You can't chat that shame me. Home to tell him no.
No worry. She not fan long. That's why her family member them put her on.
About 2 weeks. Next thing in there. Next thing, me all a poop in my smelly love it. Come on.
Girl, I meant to ask you a question. Look, so, like, you're moving and everything, right? If you're comfortable? If you're comfortable?
Very much comfortable.
Yeah, I love that, but they tell my man say only can stay for 1 week, so by next week I have to go move out, you hear?
Oh, you say 1 week. You should make it no work on the place in 1 week.
Girl, 1 week I want good time frame for look job.
You couldn't say 1 month. Or at least 2, girl. It ever take you 1 week to get to work?
Oh, I don't need to work. I have a man, I don't work.
Exactly. It ever take him 1 week to get one work?
Oh.
Somebody-
Listen to me. You see, this is me and my man, please. I'm my man there right here, so. Me can't really have you here for too long. I am a good friend. Me good
Then
enough.
you build one next room so we can get it. Or you get it.
I feel like say.
I want to put me on the bed. You couldn't give me the bed there. The bed a good fit too, I don't know.
I feel like say hairstyle in your head is too tight, so it squeeze the brain, say you talk bullshit. Because there is no way in God heaven hurt. You never tell me say me shall get up on my bed and give you it.
I'm at home. You don't cook?
No, I'm not cook. I'm not cook.
So I'm going to eat.
You don't know what I'm doing about us. I have to be a car, me fuck. Hello? Alright, that sounds good. My family.
You want to see me?
Who?
TV.
Who tells that TV?
You just say what TV you call me for.
Alright, so.
Oh, your cousin, oh, you meet your cousin so often.
Because I'm a cousin. And sometimes when you feel.
Work with it. Give you the benefit of
Alright.
it down.
Me go follow me go on the road. Me!
Yo,
Me I go on the road and come back.
where I go?
Me walk with TT go there and start come back. Me not can long.
Alright.
And
So,
remember
tell
feel
your man what?
Where say?
no, remember feel like half the pipe tight when they come out.
Alright, go on where I go.
Where you up to? As Mr. TV, you like my mouth. Get about it. Come on.
He said TB have a code and talk stupidness. Listen, realize something with you, you know.
What?
You like to beg. You love to beg.
So, Mama, you tell us it.
Me I go by your son now.
Your cousin has to come over there now.
Tired as a girl. Because not too like people, some I want.
So, make you come out so then if you know I'm going on in the yard.
Because not too like socialize with people. Because I don't want to in this and then I have to go this your back.
Obviously, your cousin so often.
Because I mean take care of you, me in kind of mental. The rest I don't live in yard.
Hello. You mental?
Be nice, girl. I mean, if you answer them, if you talk too much, don't write out some soon come. Yeah, me I come.
Being just say.
You're deaf? Bees hive. Bees hive.
You said me also? I don't want to be with us so. Come on. Wait! Me the wonder where you there so long over your father. He got claim to say your cousin. So you can't even get to know your cousin?
No. No.
You notice on the alley me get to find out there I get too overprotective by your cousin. Where your cousin name?
Timmy.
Timmy! Call him back out of
Timmy, alright, I want to you.
Me want the number.
Timmy don't want nobody right now. Me tell you this. You
Oh,
see?
you know, say no one
Listen to
about
me.
you come in and say your cousin will lean pan and tell everything. You know
Yes,
why I get him?
exactly.
So why you know why me get
Listen,
him?
me never said that. You see, Timmy now, Timmy I got through a mental breakdown. Timmy woman just left him last week. Timmy sad and depressed and he had too much stress for him head to go take up you now. So just take care of your mind.
About this. If you have a cousin who stay so, or a friend when I want him, yeah, I know, make a put it to him and try to think it.
You see any day name day, you ever make your mouth slip up at the house and mention nothing want to mention to your mouth, me put you straight to the door.
Tell me the
Anyhow,
truth, girl.
and to me I say, me never bring a come on my place or be make or make me be friend for your look because me don't want you my cousin then the argument done. And if you ever
Argument done. Don't feel like you want to raise your voice while me coming in a your
and
place.
if you feel
Listen to me. Tell me the truth. Is he your cousin? Yes or no? And I like say me I go chat.
yes, I'm a cousin.
Are your cousin?
And if you and him ever
Are your
there,
cousin? Why middle name?
listen to me.
Why middle name?
Peter.
Peter. Somebody can have a first name for them middle name?
Hello. All of my father if you asking parents them, that's not my
Me
business.
know what I'm going to do.
Listen to what me I say. You see, if you ever in your life or think about it or dream about it, say you go there with him, I'm gonna make my man put out you. So come on. Cause any ever there with him, make my man put out you. Come on.
I told you I'm going to get put out, you know. Mama, one drink and then something very
Girl, come here. Oh boy.
Right now, I'm going to go hurry up and go bathe. I'm going to bathe. But
So when you go bathe,
Come I said, you know. So, do not mention a thing out your mouth. But my cousin, my cousin do not want to talk. Cousin don't want nobody or not like that, right? Mm-hmm. So I go in the house and come back. I go to a shower later.
Alright. Well, I don't. See that before, girl? Oh, sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh, that good, man. How you look so? How you look so sad?
No.
No, son, I say you look randy. How you look so sad?
Leave me to explain it. For example, you have one friend. You and a friend go for the board. And she have one cousin, or he have one cousin.
Mm-hmm.
And you would have say to that the friend they say, your cousin single. You don't want to line up a friend for him.
Yeah, of course. Cause I know that I can't do my cousin. Of course, that is nothing.
Okay, so if you not line up him for him and I tell her one bag of something about say, he might go through mental problem and he not want nobody else. You don't believe that?
Well, but I just believe my friend now I'm fidelity in cousin in a real life. But maybe he can go so. Still, but if I did me, I'll still what it. If me and your friend and you know I'm there with your cousin. I say alright.
Just tell you straight to him and you're there with your cousin though.
I'd rather hear that than the bag of grow on. Because I don't like grow on, really and surely. But that's just me still. So does that.
Yeah, just ask me and ask me. Come to my mind to you.
Now put that on your brain, man. That will stress me.
No, I go for my brain, man. I do, you know.
Alright. Okay, that's the way I do it.
You go and beard.
Alright, if you see him, tell him say.
If me see him, so now you actually go do.
When you see him, I'm going to move right now. Tell him so I get some fresh air and come back.
Alright.
Look on the road.
Alright.
Alright. You want anything?
If man,
Yeah.
come buy one burger.
Oh, no like that. We ask like water, so miss you. Where are they with?
Yeah, no, bro, everything up.
What do you mean if everything up, man? Where you going with?
Well, I want some day I do I go normal.
Yeah.
So, bro. Yo, I tell us right now, I'm glad to see me flying back, you know, bro.
Yeah. What make you see so?
Bro, things are going good for me, bro. So, me to one slimmers right here, bro. You just have the you.
Where you are?
You have your beaty, bro.
All I you tell. Where you do it? Where you do it?
Bro, like a donkey.
Yo, you're tough. What the lot?
Yo,
Hey.
you see how I'm holding him, wrap me around here, bro. I'm hard, bro. I tell us, say, run off 5 months.
So you know ball?
Eh?
You know ball?
You know most ball.
So I'm not really thing.
You know most ball.
Killer you know boy. You know.
Oh, me glad me flying, bro.
Good,
So
no,
I
no.
go out your life now, bro.
Well, for my life come like the opposite. For your life up, for my life I go down. You know I believe so for my woman when I live with too much years I know. You gotta really go bring in one next woman in the yard.
So no good thing that, bro.
Good
Wanna
thing
live
what?
like a you.
No brother, I don't know good thing. Let me show you what going on now. It would have been good thing if me had them type of man there, but a loyalty, me believe in a dog. Loyalty. You see me? That is my principle. So if two women in the yard, and then remember say we are face boy in a dog and we full of style and some of the time we just did a normal and woman did a previous. So me know God alone can come down and tell me say this not cause problem in the yard.
No, bro, man. Wish me did I live like you, bro. You live
No.
better than me, dog.
Oh me I live better, yeah.
2 girl 1 time.
No dog, you know as you see.
Bro, let me teach you something. You're a woman, I bring a next girl for you, bro. You don't even know that.
No sir.
But I feel like she'll test you.
For me woman,
She'll surprise you, bro.
test me dog.
Test.
For me woman know something I believe in the dog.
So if you might test you, you know, pass it, bro.
So you don't know. I believe in the dog. Me just know say I want to look a problem down the lines too. But I just stay I'm there dog, so me I can take a walk and catch some like fresh air.
I don't want to mind my woman come check me again.
Again.
Cause me love BT. Yo, me tell you say from me flying in, bro, me that girl, you know, me going about 10 BT.
Alright, yeah, tell 10.
Oh, it told me the thirsty, you know, bro. 10 beat. But if you have this,
The bird.
mm,
I tell you, oh boy.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you got all. That's why I tell you say if I one me have one, it must stress me. So imagine two. If you are beat it 10 times, you have to go beat it 20. Beat it till for me thing Ben.
Oh, bad house.
Yeah, bro. Yo, you know, so me done race with you. I love you for
Right,
great.
be right.
Alright. Wow. I hope you don't look nice. Are you beard that look nice?
Oh, yeah, come
I hope you that look nice.
Oh, yeah, come from.
Where I come from? When I tell the TT, you tell us I'm gonna catch fresh air. You know tell her?
You think up on the brand that they catch fresh here?
No, so I'm gonna take a walk. Oh, when the by the way?
Night house.
Yo, you walk and go see me go buck up on one of my boy down there to see from when. The dog I tell me say he can't just fly them from there, you know. He might tell me say, yo, him buck one girl. He have ya beat.
So why y'all beat me?
Yeah, show me how him do it. The dog I say around 10 times and him not there 3 days good yet. So I say, this a Kaylafilms idiot or some little whore. If you that him there 3 times and him and there beat out you, so you know no sense. Time I say he know say girl not rate him or some money he girl look for him. So I say girl he can't doing things still. But basically that go on still. I just some fresh air me catch and book up off my boy.
Ain't for him. So how was it there?
Normal. I really don't. Some fresh air.
So alright.
I'm perfect man, you good?
So you took up your feel, so you're not happy.
So I'm not
So
happy.
you go on and then care about nothing for me.
I care about you. See me care about my loving self. My big, nice, wonderful self.
You're right, so you're big, you do big.
Yeah.
Alright, oh God. Tell me a story.
There once was a girl who went to bed and slept. I'm going to bed. Me I go sleep.
You don't even spend a time with me.
No, me I go.
See, you start spend time with me, man.
No, man, I go in, man.
No, son.
Where's the TT in there? Can't go spend some time in there. Tell him to come out.
No, see, that's some TT. Alright, what you doing?
So girl, maybe I take a walk on the road.
Listen, we go up on the road too. We go up on the road.
So, how wanna go?
We go up on the road.
So, as me say, I want to go up on the road, I want to go up on the road too.
No,
You don't say I'm
business
gonna
I deal with.
No, if I go up on the road, I can't go up on the road. That's not going in my direction, that's all.
At that, I want to tell you. I don't reach back in the yard and you know there.
Is that a real son of
You
them?
remember that?
We are up on the road, buddy.
But if I go deal with some business, just not come in my direction.
Alright, well I'll see you guys
You
later.
can't come in a man though, because I'm not doing nothing busy on the road.
Alright.
Yes.
I want you and my man coming in your direction.
Then you want to come in after you. Where you going to do?
Yeah, go up on the road. Come on. Hold on.
So, you know me, woman. Me nah take time and talk me. Me don't tell her this is a private relationship. One public. But I'm a woman, babe. But what wrong with her, babe?
What wrong with me, babe?
TT, I'm a woman.
Yeah, woman.
I'm a woman. When the hype?
No man talk. Wow. Can I make you 1 minute and I'm not like she know my business.
Nothing wrong with that, babe. I'm to you, babe.
Alright, you mean look at something.
Babe, come back over here, son, please.
What is this one?
Alright, thank you.
Oh, man.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Hi, TV. Me nobody want you.
Hello. Come here. Come here. Yeah.
You see what going on? Yeah, me not have eye. Them not big enough. Listen, that's why your name want me get the boy. Cause I'm man. I am girl. Yeah, one. Yeah, my babe. Run a piece of money and me no chat.
Babe. Girl. Remember, say I not feel me house you there now.
If me tell him money, put you
No,
out.
girl. I will go over there, go pack up your bag and put you out. Remember, say now you're
Remember
telling
something you would have put you out in a car.
How you don't know that?
It was them. They know they each other.
Me
My man do not know. My man don't know nothing about
Mama,
it.
give me money and me no chat.
Me also me put out in this, but I
Yeah,
check me now.
me not chatting you. It's just fairness. Give me the money and make me not chat. And if the money no, if the money chat.
Alright, no chat. I'll tell you what you give me. Babe, don't talk. Hug. Gone in a corner. Gone yard.
Something other one if you go yard.
Me not have no money, mama.
And he had the one, you know. But that the money there in a day like
You see the
this.
thing I do, I go on over. Come here, come go period. Because remember say, if any ever chat me, I will put out you.
But you owe me and tell that man, say he owe me too. And you just pay me?
Hello, me come go on business. Bye. You know.
Come back here, sir, and I make me chat. Back here.
You think me a robot?
Yeah, man. You come back?
Yeah, I come back a long time.
I want to ask you something.
What else?
Example. You have your own one. No. For instance, me have my boyfriend and he have one cousin. Each time he might go check in cousin, me have to stand up out of the front part and him have to go over there. What you think about that?
I mean, don't know. That's how I waste still, but me don't know. No, me not tell them about that because I feel on you. But that no man couldn't do me that still. Me I tell her the truth, no man.
So you wouldn't feel like say you get boner, no suspicious thing wouldn't in it?
If me the in a situation would have feel so yes, but me not in there. First thing my woman knows saying can't give me bun. Because me a madman. Me not play. And me too loyal to get bun. That's the first thing.
I like it.
Like her.
Eh?
So I make it just say that.
I practice, me I practice. One play,
Huh.
one be one actress and me I practice one play. You like it so far?
Yeah, you nearly convinced me a while ago. Say
Convince yourself what?
Say I get bun.
Me I get one?
Mm-hmm.
No. I know me I get it, but you know.
Mm-hmm.
I know me I get it. It's a play, it's a play.
I play that sound like you hot though. So you sure I just that?
Yeah, just that, nothing more. Nothing too serious.
Alright, I think I say a lot then.
Alright, me I can go in.
Alright. What flavor chips do you think?
If you have to eat off me too, so.
Huh?
You better eat off me something then.
No, I feel a new flavor, man. I feel a flavor.
Give me. So come back.
Kayla!
Hi.
Come back, Asa.
You just talk on me so far. Me do something.
What kind of message this? But the sex was great.
What?
What kind of message is for your phone?
Oh! And my message of a TT.
What TT you use a phone for? You don't have phone?
No, what? You never have data.
Wi-Fi there.
TT man, look search our phone.
That so TT I use for your phone.
Yeah. Oh, you want to ask her?
That me I got it right now. TT, sorry for bother you. Yeah, you use Kayla phone and I text somebody. Yeah, use Kayla phone and I text somebody.
My phone, I want.
Oh, I just sitting with you to figure out like if you're there using phone and text me if anything. Alright, I just that me do and find out. Continuously.
So what she say?
Lucky, you're lucky.
Come here, tell her lie.
Should I use your phone and text it through, man?
You know that?
Sorry, man, you.
You know say you love me one.
Yeah, that me I realize. Sorry, sorry.
You can't go in still there?
Alright.
Yeah, behave like that. You soon come, okay?
Alright.
Girl, thank you so much. You're a good friend. Thank you for pick up for me.
What about?
You tell the man say you are using my phone and I text your man.
Oh, Yeah, man, no problem, no problem.
See, I good everything?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much, girl. Thank you so much. Anyways, me I come go on the road and I'll come back.
Mm-hmm.
So, later.
Later.
Mm-hmm. But thanks pick up for me, you know, thanks.
Yes, yeah.
V,
Hmm?
you know, say I go on the road and I'll come back. I look for my cousin.
Alright, have a nice day, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You sure?
Mm.
You're not talking now.
Alright.
Later.
TT! TT!
Boy.
Come on.
What?
You can't stand us for a minute, please.
Okay, about this?
Like, you left it. TT,
Hmm?
Kayla, your friend, not sure.
Yeah.
I know you're going to pick up for him, but I want to tell us a man.
Why
I
not?
want to tell us a man.
Oh, wow.
Kayla, give me a bun.
Yeah, boy, no.
TT,
Yes.
Kayla, give me a bun.
Well, yeah.
Who am I giving a bun with?
We don't know a person.
TT, I and Kayla travel all the
Me
way.
and Kayla travel. Kayla go about her business, me go about mine.
So you have no idea how.
No idea, no clue.
So I'm getting tell me say Kayla giving a bun.
You know why it's a short failure?
Alright, thanks. I'm going to our room for an hour. Please give me some privacy, please.
Alright.
Please. Oh my God. TT. TT.
You call me?
Yeah.
Call me.
You can't give me a minute.
Give a minute, like, you want 1 more minute in here by yourself?
No, a minute to chat to you.
Okay.
Sit down anywhere at all. Anywhere at all, I know. You see, I feel say I have some problems. Feel say my loyalty to my fool. Like, I wanna be one perfect soldier. Come I just take orders and not question it. Even if the orders or things to make me feel bad or things to end up hurt myself. I just do it and not question. Make me loyal till I'm blind.
You're a fool. Sorry. Nothing make you feel bad, bro.
I'm a fool. I'm a loyal to her. What I realize is I've been nothing too loyal to a person who has been nothing too wicked to me. But I couldn't see it.
So what can I do? Or you find out so she'll cheat on you?
Don't worry about that, man. That's not really important. But what I want to say to you is, I'm going to put out Kayla. You don't know if you want to stay, you still can't stay.
No,
Yo, you know
you can't put out a girl. No, me want to stay.
What make you can't
But you can't put out a girl. Everybody deserves a second chance.
What kind of second chance? Maybe nothing but loyal.
I just maybe the other sit down, she just gonna do one thing.
Nah, man.
You ever think this is want to talk to her about it?
You can't talk. If I talk to him about him, I go talk to him and tell him to pack up in things them.
Alright. So nobody talk to him then, it won't do. You know, say you have to break down.
Why?
Come me there here. You and she out there do things, me there here. We can do things too.
You have a type of foolish, man. What kind of do things?
You know what I talk to?
Me can't, me not believe that they're sitting there. If me say I'm here and her there, I'm here and her there. And I tell us that's why I know say me I eat that.
That's why you're a fool for sure.
Cause see,
and she a get boy me there so you know. She not happy no.
See me not the funny style. Yep. Right now I feel like I just have to play with my mind.
Oh me play with your mind.
Cause Kayla been nothing but bad to me. And she come like a good friend to you, so why you like that?
No. You see the thing me know talk about the party but me you can't listen and she know about it.
You know about that, man.
Listen to me now. Tap your eyes and tap it right now.
I'm a phone.
I'm gonna go outside the door and I didn't know what I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah. My girl. Sure. Just sit down from phone for.
I'm sleeping. I'm tired.
I forgot to find the rain here.
Where you go?
There that way. Upon the Lord.
Come back.
Alright.
More come Kayla. I'm boring.
Bye-bye.
Go.
See you later.
You come.
You can come.
No, girl, you're right.
Me video. Come like this. Get up. You know that me get till she gone?
What you tell him say you want to come back? What's in the tell her for come? What's in the tell her for come?
No, me not tell her some sick or something. So what?
I'm there. Where you going?
Me there.
So you spend the day with me today?
You know nothing I do.
I have one little set now.
What?
Tell her, I have to go up on the road and collect.
I follow you, girl.
I'm mad now, I follow him. I go up on the road and collect some stuff. I'm sure you come back. Then after that, I just me and feel all day. Alright?
No problem.
Alright.
You know me don't trust you, I don't trust you. I don't follow you, girl, and get like that. But me I come to.
So be that one. And
Not so long, man.
then how long me call her be? You just have pull up.
No, actually, rain that fall. It take a while.
Oh,
Come.
you have to see with that still. But you know the umbrella.
No, man, umbrella, me. They can buy more.
No, I buy one. No worry ahead.
See, alright?
So I must alright.
Okay, see you come from.
I go. When I tell her that on the phone, say we are go over.
Oh. That's it, then I sit there that.
Movie.
Nobody. You know, say me left my pad pan fire and the iron board upon my uniform. Me have to go up here. Me soon come back here.
But wait, no, they say I live. Yo, B. So why she gone up this one? I say pot for fire and I don't know so she live.
Where are they with?
Yeah, no, bro.
Where you going with?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Yeah. I see somebody run off a while ago, like they shot to somebody. I mean, I say good.
I'm a woman, bro, but she a pot for fire, bro.
What pan fire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After me call the girl and tell me if you come look for me, bro. Me and they are so good the reason. Me tell him say, yo, we are go over now. Him run off.
Afraid they tell me say I deal with them wicked man. Afraid that boy, you know.
Bro, if me did ever
Afraid that.
If me did ever get hold him all in the idea, bro.
I beat you again. This was like a rain just fall. Remember say you tell me say I beat you like any horse, you know.
Bombado star.
I'm not sure that match him up again, my dog. But now I'm proceed just
You know, say, you go look for her, come more beat it.
brother, now look for you, man. Don't make it girl can, man. Just go here, dog.
Well, me
Some girl not work you, brother. If you want it, you come back for when you need it. Afraid that right now.
alright. Now listen to you now, bro.
Believe
I'll
me.
go on me yard.
Alright, do it better. What? How you do? How you do? What are you do?
Me say I couldn't bear staring the guy myself and run around it.
Oh yeah, me not just come out of the yard, man.
So,
You know, yeah, follow
I'm
me.
going to play that one.
Me just forward and say me I found kids on here. Me not tell us me I found you, don't look
There's
for
a problem if I follow you?
me. Don't have no problem. I follow you and follow me.
No, when Kayla follow you, you don't say nothing. You don't be a problem when me follow you.
Come on. No, how you make Kayla from
You know how you feel so.
Oh. Kayla, talk to me on the corner.
And after that, I wish Kayla would not make my love Jesus.
Hold on. Put your light in my hand.
Make him drop. You need to hold him up. You go on. Me hold him up. What you do on the road? Where you come from for your field? Eh?
How you me there look for?
Where me here for me like me last? Where you look for me?
You
Hello, catch your breath. How make you drop down?
me no know. Hold on.
Turn up, good, turn up.
Hold on, where you come from? Where you come from?
Me come from the day work. Me get a 1 day work.
I feel, oh, you come from a date, I feel better. So give me your money now.
No, me run off of the job.
I'll make you run off for a job.
We are excited. Forget the money, me just start run and me run the wrong direction.
Come go back for him, but me nobody want to Come go back for him money. Come go back for him money. Up here run.
Yes, I'll be.
Come go back for him money.
Cry. Titi, you see the reason I'm calling out so? Because now you follow me. Go over my cousin. Tap say your cousin, I know say your man. If you're here, you don't know that. Anyway, no if I'm go over TV, right? But it look like said that we are catch and palm because you know he normal in that yard no him come on the road and him like he want search my phone and so when you follow me, go over there so you follow me? Yeah, no problem. Okay, so we're soon ready. What time? No time for no. What time at all?
Yeah.
Huh? So you can follow me, girl? Yeah, we can follow you. Okay.
I wanna go.
Me I follow Titi go look for your auntie. Me have something to pick up from your auntie when she come.
Oh, so you no good?
Yeah.
You know how I come to?
You can't tell. How about 3 taxi we have with you?
I don't really like it taxi thing. I check too, I get up on us in an hour. Beyond them for run down or...
No, get up on an exercise and this.
Alright then, come on.
Alright. Step on your car me.
Alright.
Come on, come on.
Yo, Kayla, you know where I'm coming. Nah, get what you know. So I'm put teeth. Can't get her from me today. Oh, see how you. What?
What that?
What do you mean what that?
Oh,
No, me wood.
check that way and make me. So I'm going, alright?
No, me not alright.
How am to that?
What do you...
Stop that!
You trick me one day be and gone, be alone, you know, come back. Right now, me tell you, say me a plan for you. Me take blue pill, you know. So you better no ramp with me, you know. Because me think turn up on the car and go down.
Many man catch blue ball.
So either you come or what?
What on there? Hello?
Kayla!
Yeah.
Kayla, come over here now, our emergency. Kayla, you no soon come. Kayla, me get 100,000 more and give you 55 right. Come, no.
Make it an emergency call. Me have to soon come back. Me come back this time for two. See me there for my friend. Don't pray yourself. Talk to her. For sure, say me I come back. You can talk to her. Me soon come back. Here, don't talk too long. So you want to talk about?
No, I talk about none. Woman, no one.
She just gone.
No one, me woman.
The woman soon come.
How long you think she will take to come?
Kayla not come here because you know Kayla already.
No, you know, say...
All you have to do is go in and help yourself. A bit you're waiting still.
2 blue pill me take. Me cannot help myself.
So you tell her say one?
You can't help me.
No. That not gonna work.
I'll give you 15 grand, please.
So you pay for me, so?
I'll give you 15 grand, please.
16.
16.
Come on now.
We Kayla there, man. Oh, see him there.
Baby.
Kayla.
Baby, yeah? Money.
Kayla.
Hey, my money there.
Kayla, you're not gonna believe this. Kayla.
May I get more than 50 lah.
Kayla.
Yes.
Stop nice now. Me no have no money. Honey, me honey. Come on.
Let me feel. I'm going to be close to the man. Bye. I'm going. I'm going to do myself. I'm put myself in a. I'm going to explain this. David! Warm to me. I do not know. Put there now in your pantry. And it hurt me feel bad just a bit, you know. Maybe just know I should have met that use candle. Can't care if I know me are dead. Jesus. Why me did just know. Wonder when I'm going to talk to him.
Davi! Davi!
Davi, me need to talk to you.
Davi, me need to talk to you.
Davi, me need to talk to you now.
Davi, me need to talk to you.
What happened?
Davi,
Davi,
you're
I'm pregnant.
Watch it, man. From you hear my voice and see my face, that means you made it to the end of this movie. You understand? So make sure you do your golden rule, man. Subscribe and like and share and comment. Tell a friend about Davi Dan HD. Oh no, part 2 can tell if Davi Dan a baby father. A lie? You don't have to just stay tuned and you will see part 2 forward. So you just go and subscribe and you just go and like and you just go and share because the whole heap is Davi Dan HD forward, you know. So see it.